Hey people, today I'm like running super late, like I have to be someplace. But I just have to say this, yeah, Bumble is, I mean, I was on the Bumble Biz platform just so that I can promote my business, my YouTube channel. I have, as of 2 days ago, it crossed 500 subscribers, and for me, that's an achievement. Once it touches 1K, then I can monetize the channel. But then all of a sudden, yesterday, Bumble sends me this message that that's it, my account is not no longer activated, it's been blocked. So so I really want to apologize to so many people who would want to be being in touch with me. I just, what do I do? Yeah, so I was thinking I'll write to Bumble, or I'll post something like this, because it's not fair. I mean, I was on the Bumble Biz platform, not even the dating, not even the BFF. So I think it was wrong on their part. But I'm running late, so I'll catch up with you all sometime, and I'll make another video, since I always, no matter what, upload 2 videos a day. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.